is Wednesday, October 18th. Bad news is you're not here. The good news is you know where to go for help. So today, on Wednesday, is our Chapter 2 summative. Okay? So that's something that you got to come in and take. So I can't post anything here. I can't put a PDF up because it is a summative. So come in here, and when you see me come back to school, get that taken care of. But let me just show you what we're going to be starting after your summative. So if you want to start working ahead in this, and then you won't be behind when you have to come in and take the summative. So again, I'm just going to remind you how to find our book. So we go to CPM Math. When we get there, I click on More Math for More People. And then remember, we have to log in. If you're on your Chromebook, it should automatically bring you to your login. Otherwise, you have to remember your school password and your school login. So I'm going to hit here, and then I can go right to my Google G there. I'm logging in with my Manitowoc account. And then from there, we go to eBooks, and we are in Course 3, Chapter 2. No, we're finishing Chapter 2, right? So this is where we're going to start. So if you get this and you want to work ahead so you won't get behind when you have to take your summative, we go to 311, and this is called What is the Rule? This is fun stuff. This is called Extending Patterns and Finding Rules. It says you have been learning how to work with variables and how to find values for variables and equations. In this section, you will learn how to extend patterns and how to generalize your patterns with the rule. And as you work with your team, use these questions. How is the pattern growing? What is the rule? Is there another way to see it? How can you tell if your rule is correct? So we're looking at these tile patterns, and we see figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. And what they want to know is, what does figure 1 look like? What does figure 5 look like? And then, what does figure 100 look like? Okay. So you can use graph paper, or you can go on the Student eTool. There's figure 2. And there's figure 3, there's figure 4. They want to know, what does figure 1 look like, and what does figure 5 look like. Okay? If you take care of that, you can go down to here, and it's the same thing again, finding student eTools. With figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, they want you to figure out figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. What does figure 5 look like? What does figure 1 look like? And then what would figure 100 look like? After that, what we're going to do this, we're going to do this in groups, and I'm going to hand out cards, and if they pass this card, they get this card. If they pass this card, they get a different card. Okay? So we're just working through different levels of cards. Sound good? That's what we are going to be doing when you come back after the Chapter 2 summative. Okay, I hope you're well. I hope you're having a great Wednesday, and I hope I will see you tomorrow.